What's up everyone, Arif here, and we are trying a new energy drink. I've never tried before. In fact, I didn't even know this was available in Canada, but I found it at my local dollar store, and that is Cellucor C4. Now, I stopped using C4 powder years ago, gotta be 4 years ago already. I stopped using it. But I've always been a fan of Cellucor products. If you check my fitness channel, anytime I reviewed a pre-workout, I always related it back to Cellucor Super HD, Cellucor C4, because those were my go-to supplements. And I'm a huge fan of the company, so I decided I want to try this. Now, what's nice is this one, why I got it like all the others, is it's no calories, no sugar, which is the big thing, because the sugar in these things can kill you, man. They're like 240 calories. It's awful. And this flavor is Twisted Limeade. Now, I know that you can't see the label here because of the green screen, but just trust me, it's Twisted Limeade. But let's try it out and see how it is. See how good they are at making these things. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, I get where they got the name Twisted Limeade from. I get it. Yeah. I'd say it tastes like a caffeinated carbonated brisk iced tea. If you've ever had that, Lipton brisk iced teas, I'd say it tastes like that. Yeah, this is pretty good actually. With Rockstar being my normal go-to, yeah, I can get down with this flavor. And what's nice is I paid only $1.45 a can, so I actually got it cheaper than I got my Rockstars. But yeah, this is pretty good actually. I'm down with this. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna definitely keep drinking this. It's good. I'm happy with it. But yeah, if you like this video, if you want to see more taste tests, I got one more of these coming up. It's a different flavor, some orange flavor. I'll probably do that video next. But yeah, if you like these videos, if you want to see different stuff, let me know in the comment box down below. Other than that, hit that sub button. I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.